Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I've got another nice recipe for you. It's somewhat a bit different, Afghani chicken. Afghani food is one of the best foods throughout the world. And you ain't got to put many herbs and spices in it. Stay with me guys and I'll show you how it's done. Okay guys, I'm going to make a start. So for this I'm going to need 1 cup of oil. Bismillah. After I put the oil in and it's heated up slightly, I'm going to put the chicken straight in. Bismillah. So you'll cook the chicken in the oil for this one until the chicken goes slightly brown. It's a bit different to the other ones I've been making where you have to wait for the onions to go brown. But here you have to wait for the chicken to go brown for the Afghani one. Bismillah. So I'll cook it and it's changed colour slightly. So I'm going to cook it a bit more till it goes a bit goldy brownish. This is a bit different to the other dishes I've been doing where you have to add the onions first. But in an Afghani chicken, there's no onions. Bismillah. Okay, when it starts to change colour and go a nice goldy brown, you add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Bismillah. 2 tablespoons of each, that is. And 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Bismillah. I've used 1 teaspoon of whatever you fancy. Give that a nice mix now. Okay, I'm going to put some fresh chilies in. I'm using 8 chilies, but whatever you fancy. Whole chilies with slits in. Bismillah. Give it a good mix. So you only use fresh chilies in this one. I ain't going to use any chili powder. Once I let that cook for a few minutes after adding the chilies, I'm going to add 2 tomatoes, blend it down to a fine paste. And then give that a good mix. Smells absolutely beautiful. I'm cooking this on a high heat. You can cook this on the high heat all the way through. Beautiful curry this is. Beautiful Afghani chicken, Afghani food. It's got to be one of the best in the world. You'll have to go a long way to beat it. Okay guys, the chicken's been cooking for a bit, so I'm going to add the few herbs and spices that you add to an Afghani chicken. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, also known as zira. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder. And 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And then give this a good mix. Beautiful. Looks absolutely beautiful already, that. MashaAllah. Look at it, absolutely beautiful. After adding the herbs and spices, I let it cook for about 10 minutes on high heat, and I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt into it now. Bismillah. Once you added the yogurt, give it a good mix. Bismillah. Beautiful colour on it now. That colour's awesome now, look at it. MashaAllah. Once you added the yogurt in, give it a good mix, let it cook with the yogurt in there for a bit, good few minutes until everything's nice and cooked. And then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it a good mix so that lemon juice is nicely mixed in now. Once you added the lemon juice, let it cook for another 3-4 minutes. And add a bit of coriander. About half a cup, or whatever you fancy really. Give that a good mix. Yes. You give it a good mix, cook it, let it cook until most of the oil evaporated. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes and most of the oil's evaporated and the chicken looks just about right, nearly done now. So I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream, this whipped cream that is. And then give it a good mix. This is on low heat now. So I cooked it and just before I added the whipped cream in, I turned it to low heat. Beautiful dish. Just give it a good mix so that cream's nicely mixed in. Beautiful. Once you put the mixed whipped cream in and you give it a good mix, you can turn it back up to high heat. And we'll just carry on mixing it. Just let it cook as well. Okay guys, so I'll put the whipped cream in, give it a good mix, let it cook for another 6 to 7 minutes and that's it, that's ready. Such an easy dish and such a wonderful dish this is, I tell you. So I'll take it out and I'll show you. MashaAllah guys, the Afghani chicken is ready and it's come out absolutely beautiful, just the way I like it. So I'm just going to add some coriander just to garnish it a bit at the top, that's it. Not too much. MashaAllah guys, this is a beautiful dish. I know I keep on saying it, but until you taste Afghani foods, you know what I'm on about. And those that have tasted Afghani food and that are regularly eating it, please do comment below and let me know of my dish, how I've done. It's just an awesome dish. This is tastes absolutely beautiful and it don't take long at all to make. A quick and easy dish to make. Okay guys, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching and please do have a go. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.